Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best CPAP mask strap is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of your sleep apnea therapy, directly impacting comfort, seal, and ultimately, the effectiveness of your treatment. A poorly fitting or worn-out strap can lead to leaks, skin irritation, and disrupted sleep, making the selection of the right strap a vital decision for anyone relying on CPAP. Number 5. Impresa Sleep Apnea Mask CPAP Strap. This is a dependable replacement strap designed for a secure fit. It is compatible with various popular CPAP headgear, offering stability for effective therapy. Crafted from elastic fabric and foam, this headgear provides comfort throughout the night. Its snug fit supports a restful sleep experience, reducing pressure points. The adjustable strap minimizes air leaks, maintaining the effectiveness of your CPAP therapy. Regular replacement ensures it retains its secure fit for consistent performance. This nasal pillow strap requires simple upkeep to promote longevity and hygiene. Hand wash it weekly with warm water and mild soap to maintain its durability. Each package contains one replacement foam nasal pillow strap. This enhances your CPAP setup without needing additional components. What we like? This strap offers a reliable and secure fit, ensuring your CPAP therapy is effective throughout the night. Its comfortable design minimizes pressure points for a restful sleep. If you are looking for a dependable replacement that is compatible with popular mask models and prioritizes a stable fit, this is a great choice. What people say. The mask strap is comfortable and adjustable, making it easy to get a good fit. The material is soft and breathable, which prevents skin irritation. It holds the mask securely in place throughout the night, even for side sleepers. Number 4. Medihealer 8-Pack CPAP Headgear Strap Covers. Tired of discomfort from your CPAP headgear? Our soft fleece covers are designed to add an extra layer of comfort, making your therapy a more pleasant experience. Effectively reduce those irritating red marks and facial irritation caused by your CPAP straps. Wake up feeling refreshed and free from marks. These covers help minimize slippage, so you won't need to constantly readjust your straps. Enjoy a more secure and comfortable fit throughout the night. Crafted from breathable, soft fleece, they are reusable and machine washable. The universal design ensures a great fit for most CPAP headgear. Promote a full, uninterrupted night of sleep by making your CPAP therapy significantly more comfortable. Enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. What we like? Experience enhanced comfort and say goodbye to red marks with these soft fleece strap covers. They effectively reduce irritation and minimize the need for constant strap adjustments, promoting uninterrupted sleep. If you suffer from facial irritation due to your CPAP straps or want a simple, universal solution to add comfort, these reusable covers are an excellent option. What people say. The mask strap is comfortable and adjustable, fitting securely without causing irritation. The material is soft and breathable, preventing overheating and sweat buildup during sleep. The design allows for easy adjustment and a customized fit, ensuring the mask stays in place all night. Number 3. Replacement Headgear Strap for CPAP Masks, 2 packs. Experience a new level of comfort with our double-sided fabric and double stitching. This minimal design ensures your mask stays securely in place, reducing air leaks for a better night's sleep. Tired of overpriced headgear? We offer a high-quality, value-priced alternative that performs just as well as name brands. Replace your old straps without breaking the bank. Designed to fit a wide range of 4-point connection CPAP masks, including full face and nasal pillow types. Check our measurements to ensure a perfect fit for your mask. Keep your headgear fresh by hand washing it weekly in hot water with mild soap. Simply rinse well and let it air dry for continued comfort and hygiene. Please remember that this package includes headgear straps only. No other CPAP equipment is included. This is an aftermarket replacement designed for optimal performance. While designed for wide compatibility, please note that this headgear is not suitable for the AirFit P10 or AirFit F20N20 models. Ensure your mask type before purchasing. What we like? Get a great value with these durable, double-stitched headgear straps designed to hold your mask securely and reduce air leaks. They are compatible with a wide variety of 4-point connection masks. If you're tired of the high cost of name-brand headgear and need a reliable, cost-effective replacement that fits multiple mask types, this 2-pack offers excellent bang for your buck. What people say. The mask strap is comfortable and adjustable, fitting securely without causing irritation. The material is breathable and soft, preventing overheating and skin redness during sleep. It effectively holds the CPAP mask in place, ensuring a good seal and uninterrupted therapy. Number 2. Medihealer CPAP Headgear for N30i-P30i. Introducing the Medihealer CPAP Headgear, designed for optimal compatibility with N30i and P30i models. Experience a secure and comfortable fit every night. Enjoy superior comfort with our ultra-soft and adjustable straps. They are designed to provide a gentle yet firm fit, ensuring a peaceful sleep. Tired of strap slipping? Our headgear features a soft fabric side that rests against your head, effectively reducing strap slippage and keeping everything in place. Crafted from high-quality materials, this headgear offers both flexibility and durability. It's designed to adapt to all users and withstand long-term use. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Get great value with this 2-pack of essential CPAP supplies. Ensure you always have a reliable headgear ready for your therapy. What we like. Designed specifically for N30i and P30i masks, these headgear straps offer ultra comfort and a secure fit that reduces slippage. Their flexible and durable construction ensures a comfortable experience all night long. If you own an N30i or P30i mask and are looking for a comfortable, reliable strap that stays in place, this is the perfect, tailored solution for you. What people say. The mask strap is comfortable and adjustable, fitting securely without causing irritation. The material is soft and breathable, preventing skin redness and discomfort during sleep. It effectively holds the CPAP mask in place, ensuring a good seal throughout the night. Number 1. DreamWear Nasal Mask Replacement Headgear. Experience a new level of comfort with our replacement headgear. It's designed to provide a secure yet gentle fit for a truly restful night's sleep. Enjoy a personalized fit thanks to its adjustable design. This ensures the mask stays in place without causing discomfort, so you can sleep soundly. Crafted from soft, durable fabric, this headgear is built to last. It feels comfortable against your skin, even during extended wear. Specifically designed for compatibility with the DreamWear nasal mask. It's the perfect solution to refresh your existing mask setup. Don't let an old headgear disrupt your sleep. Replace it with ours for a consistently comfortable and effective CPAP therapy experience. Simply attach it to your existing mask frame. This easy-to-use replacement ensures you can get back to enjoying uninterrupted sleep quickly. What we like. This replacement headgear is crafted from soft, durable fabric, offering adjustability for a personalized and comfortable fit. It's designed to ensure a restful sleep by keeping your mask in place without discomfort. If you prioritize a soft, adjustable, and durable headgear for your DreamWear nasal mask and want to enhance your sleep quality, this single-count replacement is a straightforward and effective choice. What people say. The mask strap is very comfortable and does not leave marks on my face. The adjustable straps allow for a perfect fit, ensuring the mask stays in place all night. The material is soft and breathable, which is great for sensitive skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.